How to sell your domain name on GoDaddy step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking you through on how you can sell your domain name that you bought on GoDaddy and sell it in, the best price possible. So to do this, you're going to come to GoDaddy and you're going to go over here. Now, once you go over here, you're going to go into My Products, okay, where you're going to find your actual domains that you've bought. And once you've gone into My Products over here, you're going to look for the domain. And once you go on the domain, right on it it's going to give you a sell domain answer, okay? And you're going to sell the domain on the GoDaddy market. And once you sell the domain, obviously it's going to appear over here. Now, I don't currently have a domain to sell, but if you do have a domain, it's going to give you your domain selling offer. And then it's obviously it's not going to be as much as you bought it for, but you're not going to go into a great loss. So yeah, that's pretty much how you're going to sell a GoDaddy domain. So thank you for watching this video till the end. And I hope this was helpful, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.